Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have some exciting news to share. I was invited to take part in the Mixed Media Mania YouTube Hop and I am very proud to join this super fun and creative event. We have tons of amazing prizes for you to win offered by these wonderful sponsors. For a chance to win, subscribe to every channel and leave a nice comment on every video. The prizes we have are amazing and I want to say thank you to the sponsors that they offer them to our subscribers. I'm working in my A5 art journal today and I have already primed the pages with white gesso. And now I'm going in with matte medium to adhere some ephemera. I'm using old book pages and also some washi tape that was laying around. To blend the background together, I'm applying white gesso with a palette knife. After the background is dry, I'm applying some texture paste through a stencil. The texture paste needs some drying time and now I'm painting the mushrooms with my watercolors. I start by painting just with water before I go in with the paint. For me, this is a very relaxing process and I enjoy painting the mushrooms. But if you don't have time for this, or if you don't want to draw on your own, you can also use stamped images instead. I'm using colored pencils to add more details to the mushrooms. Finally, I'm using gesso to add the white dots. My texture paste is dry and now I am playing with my brushes, and I'm using turquoise, purple, yellow ochre and also crimson. I'm spreading the colors around until I'm happy with the result. I'm adding more white space with white acrylic paint. I'm using a mixture of white acrylic paint, airbrush medium and water to create some white splatters. I also want to have some more shimmer on the page, so I'm using the Liquitex metallic acrylic ink to add some more splatters. I add some stamping to the background to create more interest. This is the carved whimsywood stamp set from Rubber Dance. I'm grabbing out a jelly print to die cut some embellishments. I'm using some leaves from Tim Holtz. I arrange everything to my page until I'm happy and then I glue it down. I cut out the mushrooms that I've drawn before, and I made sure that I leave a white border around them while cutting them out to let them pop up from the page. Finally, it's time to add a sentiment, and for that I'm using some black cardstock and cover it with double-sided tape. I want to cut out some alphabet letters to create the word autumn. I glued the letters down, and to give them more interest I'm adding a white line with a white paint marker. I want to glitter the leaves a little bit, so I'm using my Nuvo shimmer pen. Here is my finished page. I hope you enjoyed the video, and before you jump over to our next step in the hop lineup, please leave me a comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!